Well, it's helped me hugely. I started in the office as an investigator and I've developed through a number of roles into management and now in my role as director in the office. And I've always found the opportunities for training, development, particularly as a working woman and mum, the opportunities have been fantastic for me, giving me the confidence to apply for new roles as opportunities have arisen. And I've always felt that the support has been there from the office for this.
One of the main things that PSOW has done to help me develop my career has been to give me, for the first time, the opportunity to manage a team. And it has been such a valuable experience that has completely transformed the satisfaction I get from my work, and it has also helped me so much to develop new professional skills.
PSOW helps me to progress and develop by making sure that I have regular meetings with my line manager where we look at my progress and see how I can really push myself to reach my full potential, and by helping me set personal objectives so that I have something to aim for the rest of the year.